If you can't get to Italy to ride the cable car to Monte Baldo, then this video is the next best thing. Cable car starts in a town called Malcesine and takes you up to a restaurant part of the way up Monte Baldo. The views from both the cable car and from the restaurant are fantastic. You'd look down over Lake Garda, and it was Lake Garda that we were actually staying at when we went up this trip. I went with my grandchildren. When you arrive at the top of the cable car, then, as I said, there's a restaurant, but there's lots of walking opportunities to be had from the top of the cable car. So you can use the cable car for those who are active and want to get out walking, to actually get yourself up onto the hill and then spend a day walking along the mountains and the various paths. There's also a couple of cable cars that take bicycles, and you can take your bicycle up there and basically cycle back down. I would recommend that you took a mountain bike rather than a hybrid or something like that, because the track down is actually quite tricky and quite rough in places, but I think it would be an absolutely fantastically fun thing to do, and I might have considered it had I not been with my grandchildren and felt they were a wee bit young for that kind of adventure. So take a wee look at my video, and that will maybe help you to decide for yourself whether this is something that you might want to do in the next year or two, either as an adventure, part of an adventure walking or cycling, or as a family friendly holiday.